Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, March 5th. Today's essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo is titled The Ordinary Art. As always, I'm going to do the reading and then we're going to do a short meditative reflection around it. Before fixing what you're looking at, check what you're looking through. Before fixing what you're looking at, check what you're looking through. It was a beautiful, sun-filled day. I had driven 300 miles to see her. She was 94 and had been in one room for close to 8 months. I was her first-born grandson, and she was so happy to see me. But after catching up, we sat in silence on the edge of her bed, and finally, she complained how gray a day it was. I realized then that her one window hadn't been cleaned in almost a year. When I said this, she chuckled, as only someone 94 can, and uttered with her Russian accent, "Got a dirty eye, see a dirty world." It is the same with our minds and hearts. For our very self is the one window we have into this life. And so often, we suffer the mood of a dirty window, believing the brilliant world to be completely gray. Perhaps the purpose of authentic relationship is to help each other keep our minds and hearts clear. Perhaps inner work is the ordinary art of window washing, so that the day is fully the day. Wow, what a concept, huh? So as always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, natural. Just feel your body breathing in and out, in and out. See if you can get a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle, easy. Now reflect on a circumstance in your life that you currently consider gray, bleak, unpleasant, something you are not satisfied with. Is it possible that you are suffering the mood of a dirty window when it comes to the situation, to the circumstance? For the next few moments, breathe nicely, naturally, and use your breath to wash the preconceived notions and ideas from your mind. Use your breath to wash the film that may be covering your heart. Use your breath to wash any knee-jerk conclusions from your eyes. And for the next few rounds of breath, Just do this ordinary art of window washing inside yourself, clearing your mind, clearing your heart, clearing your eyes. Now reflect back on this situation you started with. How does it feel now? Physically, emotionally, mentally? Has clearing your mind, your heart, your eyes helped you see it in a better light? And maybe that it didn't work for you regarding this particular situation or circumstance. But I think it is still a very good strategy to go to when feeling unsatisfied. Perhaps in those moments, you're simply suffering the dirty window mood. Now place your hands on your heart, and as always, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I see things clearly. May I know deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice and, as always, scan your body, noticing what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. And whenever you notice that you're feeling dissatisfied with something, before trying to fix what you're looking at, consider clearing the lens you're looking through. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Lorna's breathing practice, and I'll see you on Thursday. Have a beautiful day.